Is this just smelly waste rotting on the beach? Before it was washed ashore, macroalgae or seaweed was out at sea, anchored to the seabed at depths not too deep, not too shallow, where light still reaches the bottom. It was creating an environment for other species to flourish. There are three main groups of algae: red, green, and brown. All algae, as they grow, take in nutrients directly from their surroundings and store them within their tissue, helping reduce the concentration of nutrients in the water. At the same time, swaying within the water column, algae provide a hiding spot for various types of marine organisms. They create a shelter for fish eggs and a nursery for juvenile fish, such as herring, which are caught by fishers and end up on our table. Algae caught in the swell of a storm are torn off the seabed and brought to the beach. They tell us about the rich life and vibrant ecosystem underwater. Here, as they decompose, they are a food source for small organisms and provide a feeding ground for birds. Because decomposing algae release nutrients back into the environment, they are also an eco-friendly fertilizer for crops. Next time you're at the beach and step on some algae, remember, they contribute to our livelihoods in many ways and are not just stinky waste.